Hello, good morning and welcome to today's morning report on Monday the 16th of February with me, Rich Perry, market analyst at Handtech Markets. The European trading session has got off to a pretty slow start, and that's basically on the fact that we've got this Eurogroup meeting today. Eurogroup start to talk at 3 o'clock this afternoon, and you can imagine that the talks are going to go on for a while, so the markets are pretty unwilling to take much of a view ahead of that. You've also got President's Day in the States, so the trading volumes may well be quite low as well. So it's just a general theme of consolidation, I think, today throughout markets. Not too much movement going on at the moment. The other factor is at play that you've got this ceasefire in eastern Ukraine that it doesn't really seem to be doing a great deal to calm the tensions in the region. There's still been fighting going on over the weekend, and it certainly seems as though the ceasefire at the moment is not really doing a great deal. So markets are pulling back a very small amount. FTSE's down 0.1%. DAX down 0.2, so just a slight bit of retrenchment in the equity markets. In terms of forex, though, what we are seeing is pretty much across the board. We're seeing a bit of dollar correction, although interestingly that's not showing through really in this dollar index yet, but that's not trading, so that's why. Anyway, but yeah, pretty much across the board the forex majors are lower. And the forex majors are benefiting against the dollar. The dollar's down against all the forex majors, and the euro is actually quite positive. It's 0.3% up on the day at the moment, and the biggest mover being once again the Kiwi dollar, 0.9% up now, so strongly rebounding there on the Kiwi. Gold price as well is higher, 12.33 now, so it continues to just claw its way back, and I'll talk about that in a bit. But it certainly looks as though as a bit of a dollar correction just ahead, at the moment ahead of obviously this Eurogroup meeting, but also you've got the FOMC minutes on Wednesday as well. So pretty much that's it in terms of what we're looking at today. As I said, you've got President's Day in the States, so that might well impact on a little bit of reduced activity in the markets today. But that takes me to my chart of the day, which is the dollar CAD. Now, there could be something going on in this CAD chart, because look at this daily chart. It seems as though it's consolidating sideways, and I've drawn in this horizontal line at the key low at 123.50, because you look at these momentum indicators all falling away. RSI in decline now. RSI is at the lowest point since mid-December. MACD lines also in decline, and stochastics as well falling quite sharply away. So it just shows that the Canadian loonie is beginning to strengthen against the dollar, and I've noticed that certainly the loonie and the Kiwi are much stronger, in line with the rebound in the oil price, something to look at as well. Also, what we've got on the loonie is we're beginning to now break down once again below this 21-day moving average, which has been a bit of a basis of support in recent months. If you look on the intraday chart, let me just get rid of that uptrend, that's not actually relevant. You'll see that this is a big support band that comes in around that 23.50 mark, and it certainly looks like that is sort of the level. 23.50 towards 24 seems to be a big support area on this chart, so that is certainly the case. And also you're seeing the dollar trading underneath all its moving averages. Momentum indicators just a little bit disappointing, really. Not too horrific on the downside, but certainly it looks like the last few days really the pressure is beginning to sort of hold the momentum to the downside, to the negative configuration on the MACD lines, and also the RSI not really being able to rebound too much on the hourly chart. But certainly it looks like the pressure is growing on this support at 23.50 on the daily chart. 3 days in a row now we are lower, so I think this is something to watch in the coming days. It's obviously not broken yet, and it's until it does break down, you can't really call that as a top pattern, but certainly the formation of that top pattern is underway potentially, and a breakdown would complete it. So Keep an eye on this one, and bear in mind also that these momentum indicators are certainly falling away now on this chart. So I wish you good luck in your trading today, and I will speak to you later. Thank you.